Hey everybody, it's Molly. Today we're making a banana bread. My mom stopped by yesterday and brought me 3 ripe bananas, and I thought, oh, perfect thing to make would be banana bread. And so I will post this recipe for you guys down below in the video's description box. You'll have it. And then I also just showed it now on the camera if you wanted to pause it and write it down. By the way, you'll have it. So first thing we're going to do is we got the banana mashed, and it says just 1 cup of mashed banana, about 2 to 3. So I used 3. And we're going to mix our flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt together in this. So let's get the flour. And my oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, there's our flour. Let's see. Here's our baking powder. Baking soda. And then our salt. It says to sift these together, but I'm just going to use this, whisk them together. I think it'll be fine. And now we're going to go over to the mixer because we have to cream the shortening and sugar together. So let's go over there. So we have 1/3 cup of shortening. And then 2/3 cup of sugar. And then we're just going to beat these together until they're light and fluffy. And then we'll add the eggs. Okay. In go my eggs. And just scraping this down. Okay, it says to add the dry ingredients, alternating with the mashed banana. Screw it, I'm just going to add it all at once. But it says not to overbeat it. I mean, I'm being kind of lazy. I think it'll be alright. Okay, so this thing baked for about 1 hour and 20 minutes. Every banana bread recipe I've ever made always takes longer than the recipe calls for, but you might have a different experience with that. So I loosened it around the edges with a knife, and I'm gonna just turn it out so it can cool off. It's hot. Okay, we'll taste this in a minute. Watch out, kitties. Dan.
What?
Taste this banana bread I made. It's still warm.
Tastes like banana bread.
Is it good?
Yeah.
What's good about it?
It's moist.
Is it flavorful?
It's banana bread. I don't know.
Well, I tasted it, and it's moist and flavorful, and has a very nice texture.
It's very spongy. Shines from the light within.
Yeah. All right, pass me that book, or hold that book up. This recipe comes from the Woman's Home Companion Cookbook, which is from 1944. And so, yeah, they also have a whole wheat banana bread recipe in there, but this is just the regular banana bread because I don't think I have whole wheat flour, so. But it's delicious. And this is a 3rd banana bread recipe I've tried on this channel. So, every time I come, I always have a ton of bananas. So.
Well, your mom just gave you all those, so.
Yeah. So yeah, there you go. Well, I hope to see you guys in the next video.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.